G'day everyone, today I'm going to make a rolodex card and I've used the Heidi Swapp dies to cut out some cardstock. So I've got some Kaisercraft acrylic paint here and I'm just going to randomly colour this card. Now I must admit I did get this idea from Ribina and I will link her channel down below. I saw her make an ATC, I think it was, I'm not sure. I think it was one of her mixed morsels and I really loved what she did. So I was really inspired in what she did and really wanted to have a play. So I've picked these colours that I wanted to use and all the supplies will be listed over on my website and my website link will be listed below as well. So I hope you enjoy this. Please sit back and I hope you find some inspiration as I did from Ribina. Now I'm going to add a background stamp to this and I purchased this from AliExpress. I'm going to stamp it with some VersaFine Onyx black ink because the ink will stay wet just that little bit longer, where I'm going to use my Ranger's Superfine embossing powder. So I purchased these alphabet dies from AliExpress and they're really a great size because they measure 5 centimeters tall. I've decided that I'm going to pick out letters that spell play today, so because I feel like that I'm really having good play with this Memorydex card. So I've got my black scrap cardstock here and this is where I keep all my scrap cardstock for doing things like this. So I'll just get all that cut out. Now I've got some paper washi tape here and I've had it for ages and the sticky back is not really good. So I'm going to use some Mod Podge in matte to glue this down. So I wanted to use these washi tapes because these colours were very complementing to my busy background here. So with those greens and pinks in the background. I'll also use the Mod Podge to stick all my letters down on my Memorydex card. So I am just overlapping these letters to form the word play, just so it fits onto my Memorydex card. I'm just going to seal my card with Mod Podge before moving on to the next stage. Now, as you can see, my word really blends into the busy background that I've got going here. So to help the word pop off the page, I've got this Posca pen, and it's a fine tip pen, and I'm just going to outline each letter just with some dots, just right on the edge of the letters. So as you can see, by doing this technique, my word is starting to pop off that busy background. So I'm just going to finish off my Memorydex card by applying some Momento Tuxedo Black just around the edges, just to give it a bit more depth. And that's my card finished for today. I hope this has inspired you as it inspired me when I first saw Nina Ribina's card. If you have enjoyed this, please give me your thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you do, don't forget that notification bell. And until next time, everybody, happy crafting. See ya!